Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Small64. Welcome to Let's Play Immortals Fenyx Rising Part 30. Alright, so in the last episode we were just going through the Trials of Athena. Well, through the Trials of her vault and everything. And I believe we're on the last one. Right here. Don't quote me on it, but this should be the last one. Anyways. So I have to go pick up, I think, I forgot what was the point of this puzzle right here. It's been a couple of days, even though it looks like I'm wearing the same t-shirt. It's actually been a couple of days since I last played this. I'm trying to figure out where exactly I'm at. Oh jeez, don't punch me, ow! And it did punch me. How mean. And let's see. Okay, let's wait for this blockhead to appear. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now we're gonna finish up this puzzle real quickly. And this is the last one before we can continue on. Okay, put it right here. Oh, it survives. Nice. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Oh. Ah, come on. Just a little touch was enough to break it. Lame. Well, either way. Okay, now I remember. Now I remember the last part of the puzzle. It's supposed to be something stacked right here. We're supposed to stack it. So I'm not completely insane. Or I haven't completely forgotten what we've done. I just know it involves a lot of doing this. Well, throughout the entire puzzles of this realm and so on and so forth was based off of this. Okay, there we go. Oof. And now, dodge, epic dodge. Okay, so now we just gotta pick up this one. Oh, okay, this one, so it's gonna be a toughie. There you go. Okay, pull. Come on, Phoenix, pull. Pull on that son of a gun. Okay, hang on. Ooh. Okay. You know, I have a bad feeling that this might end up crushing the other one. Ooh, owie! Okay, fudge me. Okay, so that kills me. Okay, luckily that's still around. Oh. Whoa! Oh, wait, not over there, come on. There we go. Come on, get over here. There you go. Something, please obey me. Oh, okay. Keep go. Oh, no, that's not why. There we go. Ah, damn it. Okay, it's fine. Because I can just drop this one right here. And there we go. And it won't be pushed around by the other one. Since this one's a hell of a lot more lighter. It's a lot more easier to maneuver too. Okay. So let's just wait right here for the portal. There we go. Oh jeez. Woo! That was close. That was a close one. Okay. So now. Okay. Oh, it might be... Okay. So we're just gonna have to drop this off right here. Okay. Hopefully this one... Yeah. Okay. Drop this one here. Oh jeez, come on. Okay, it's fine, Not really, it's not fine. Okay. Case. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, guys, sorry if I'm being a little quiet. Just trying to solve this puzzle. It's kind of dumb. You know what? Maybe I should pause. Okay, hang on. Let me put one more attempt. One more attempt, and then I'll put pause on the video, though. You guys don't have to see me suffer through this. Okay. There we go. Okay. Border right here. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Okay. No. Just okay. There we go. There we go. Just drop it up. No. Fudge. Okay, guys. Gotta put pause on the video. Yeah. And we are finally back, guys. Oh my goodness, that took a little bit of a hot minute for me. But luckily I didn't have to bore you guys to death with all that because it was such a struggle. But we're here, we're back, and we got this, I think. And me and my impatient butt. By the way, guys, want to see how the setup I had it in order to get over here? Yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Okay, there it is. That's how I had to set it up right now. It is terrible, but you know what? I will flip and take it because beggars can't be choosers. And there we go. Okay. Though, am I able to pick it up here? Okay, I can't. Okay, so I think what I have to do for this one is because I see a spike of beds, I don't see another crate I'll be able to pick up. Okay, just wait for it, and we're good. And I've been a little bit impatient of it because it was getting to me. It was frustrating, but it's okay. It's okay. As long, the big rule of every Fenyx Immortal, it's a lot more simple. I mean, Fenyx Immortal Rising puzzle, it's a lot more simpler than it looks. That is for sure. It's a lot more simpler than what it looks. Okay, and I'm gonna be patient right here. Okay. Oh, no. I screw. Oh, God. No. Hang on. Wait. I don't want to screw up anything. Don't screw up anything. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Do not do this right now. I don't want to be doing stupid right now. I can't, and especially with how far I've gone right now. Let's just wait for it. Okay, there we go. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, there it goes back into the unknown. Okay, let's be patient a bit now. Wait for it to go down. And solid. Wait. No! Everything's falling apart. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, is everything tempting me to fail? Oh, come on, get out of life failure. Okay. There we go. Okay. We're not gonna fail. We're not gonna fail this time. All the way. Oh! Let's not. No. Oh. Okay. Seems like I need a third block. Oh, that's gonna be scary. How am I supposed to get it? It's right there. Oh, come on, no, don't do this to me. Okay, think. Oh, okay. Okay, think. I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is such BS. Wait. Can I possibly? Okay, hang on. Let me try something. I'm thinking. I have an idea. Okay. Okay. Just leave this one right here. Oh, I just realized something. I could have carried it. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's fine. Let's not dwell on it. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is gonna be a little intense. I'm sorry, guys. It's making me silent, and I want to be silent because I want to be talking to you guys. Okay, that's good enough right here. Just don't forget, please let me climb on top of you. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's just wait for it. Wait for it to all the way go down. Go down all the way. Okay, here we are. And whew, okay. Don't miss your train. Here we go. Elevation. We're going higher and higher. Oh, okay, there we go. We got it, guys. Yes.
Zeus, listen to me. You know I'm right.
Yes, listen to your daughter. Just a little bit. Don't want to miss out on this chest. Okay, there we go. And this is the last chest. Yep, we explored every place. We got everything. Now give me all my treasures. Give me all my goods. 2 coins of Charon. Perfect. That's gonna probably give me 2 good upgrades right there. Oh, I should get all the counter ones. Alrighty then, we did it, guys. Woo! Ow. Okay. Celebrated a little too well. Oh, damn it. No, didn't want to do. Okay, it's fine. There we go. It's fine. We can prepare ourselves for this final Medusa challenge that we're about to do.
We are here for you, Athena. You don't have to stand alone. Together, we will defeat Typhon.
You'll never stand against the darkness.
Oh,
I'll never stand alone. But all together, we'll hold each other up.
that lasts a lot more longer, but I don't care. Hit me with your best shot! Medusa, you ain't got nothing on me. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm so ready. Come on. Are you just gonna be doing that? Purely that? There we go. Oh my goodness, that is what she's gonna be mainly purely doing. Just taking their attack potion and just hack it, slash her down. Just keep hacking and slashing. Is that all you got, Medusa? Yeah, she's just spamming her ultimate. Is this all gonna be the part of the big fight? I mean, she didn't spam her ultimate in the first part. She's just spamming that. Why is she just spamming that? Okay, that went off into space. Oh. Okay, yeah, this is just weird that she's just spamming this. Should I be complaining? I guess not. But this should be the... Oh! Oh! Come on, no laser! Come on, come on. Okay. Got you again. No, she's invulnerable when she's covered in stone. But I don't mind that. I forgot. I keep on forgetting that. Ooh, 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 hello. Okay, here we go. This is my favorite part. Ooh, the lasers of death. Ooh, 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 woo! Woo! Ooh, too close! No, 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 no! Bam! Just on time! Come on now, come on, Phoenix! Come on! Yes! We got it! And that's it. Medusa is dead, baby. Woo! We did it, guys! Is that it? Like, is that legit it? Excuse me, guys. I think this is it. I think that is it. Medusa was our final boss. Awesome. Oh, didn't mean to hit that dodge button. Okay, hang on. Before I leave this vault, let me make sure we didn't miss any treasures. Okay. Doesn't look like we haven't, so we're good. Essence of Athena. Alright, let's take it to the good old goddess of wisdom now. I'm curious what she'll look like in her true form. Well, then again, supposedly within the Greek mythology, what they appear as human is just their human form. If they unleash their true form, at least in front of a mortal, they will turn into ashes. And bada bing, bada boom. Let us go. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Awesome. Another Grand Vault conquered. Okay. Now let's fast travel. I'm hoping we also have enough. We also got enough stuff from the treasures to get some big upgrades as well. Like now that we conquered their vaults, enemies are gonna get it a lot more harder. So we need to upgrade our gear by a lot. So I think
You're in the market for anything.
I get turned into a child, and you look exactly like the same old Hermes. How is that fair?
Life's not fair. But didn't you notice? I got transformed.
Into what?
Ugh, a blonde. It's worse than it sounds.
Is it really gonna be the other dialogue like that? Hang on, I want to fast travel somewhere else real quick. Let's see. Okay, over here. Let's fast travel over here. Sorry guys if I'm gonna be I'm wasting time. But I got the time to kill. The end of this video is kind of far off, so yeah. Okay, wait, what's this? Motion control. Oh, motion control. Fudge motion controls, man. Like, I mean, it's probably fun for some people and challenging them. Even then, which probably I should do it because I'm a gamer that likes to challenge himself. But still, forget them, man. They're too wonky for me to use. But anyways, okay. And bada bing. Okay, and what was I talking about a little bit before? Oh yeah, that's right, the divine forms of the Greek gods. If they were to ever unleash it in front of a mortal, then they will die basically, which probably don't have to go with that. And honestly, that last Medusa fight was a little bit more easier than expected because it was just spamming its own, I guess you could say its ultimate move. Not sure if we can count it as its ultimate move. Alright, seems like that's all of the dialogue there is, so let's not waste any time and talk to the sassy child.
You got it? My essence?
Just like we planned. Are you ready?
I think so.
Come on, Athena. You got this. You're our favorite wisdom girl. Here we go. Oh, this is exciting.
Wise Athena. Gods and mortals will work as one.
Oh, hello. Ooh, she is
Your
cute.
guidance, leading us all.
Wait, we're already summoned up here? Well, she did give us our final blessing.
Phoenix, I am restored. Although you could have been quicker about it, honestly. And those wings you're wearing, they're a safety hazard. Daedalus' designs are shoddy and ill-conceived. And while we're talking about shoddy and ill-conceived, you, Hermes.
Oh, here we go. She's always got something to say.
Oh, Athena! Glad you're back. But maybe,
Yes. Maybe it's time for me to be more judicious with all these judgments.
you know, I really admire you. You're critical, but you're also wise. Most of the time.
Thank you, Phoenix. And together, we'll begin on a new, wise plan. But, we can still punch Typhon in the face, right?
Phoenix
yeah.
learned that being critical, judgmental, even stubborn, is not always a flaw. It can give one the surety needed to refuse bad counsel.
Maybe I should have listened to Athena more often, rather than trying to be right all the time.
Perhaps the great Zeus is fallible after all.
No, that's not what I'm saying. My judgments are all pretty great.
You chained me to a rock. An eagle pecks out my liver every single day.
I know.
That's cruel, Zeus. Alright, so we did it! We got Athena's essence, alright. And now we get to see the special dialogue that we get from speaking to each of these gods.
How does it feel to be back, Athena?
It's fine. A little damp. Not to complain. I'm trying not to be critical, but maybe someone should have built a few more walls here.
Working on a plan to take down Typhon?
Oh, yes. But there's something else we should take care of first.
What's up?
During the war with Typhon, I thought I had the perfect plan to stop him. But just as I was about to strike, the harpy known as a Zomini flew at me. She distracted me long enough for Typhon to turn me into a child. Reduced, Zomini carried me away in her filthy talons. I managed to escape, but she's still out there.
Oh.
Somewhere.
She won't mess with you again. I'll find her and bring her down.
Really? Just like that?
Of course. I'm your champion, aren't I?
Technically, no. You never completed the path. But I'm trying to be more flexible, so go then, O champion. To be. How'd I do?
Divine.
Then go already. Go do hero things. I know you will.
Oh,
What if I
thank you.
don't want to compromise? I want to earn the full title, champion.
Earn it? Then you'd have to be better than Heracles, Odysseus, Atalanta, and Achilles. I've never heard of such a thing. My bar is tremendously high.
What happens if I surpass it?
Tell me, are there any statues of you back home?
A statue of me? No.
Well, if, in the improbable, infinitesimally impossible case that you impress me, we'll have to do something about that.
I'm
You
cute.
should pay a visit to my statue. There's something at its base I think you'll find inspiring.
Okay, you got it, Athena. Ozomini. Alright, let's see what's up. Let's see any more thoughts from...
So, I think we're going to be able to rely on Athena.
Such a relief! I keep losing track of what we'd all been turned into. Last I recall, I tried getting her to stay with me under my shade. Her complexion can't handle another sunburn.
No one needs your shade, Aphrodite.
Oh, please. If I was throwing shade, we'd be talking about Phoenix's haircut.
What?
I said if I was throwing shade, we'd be talking about Hermes' haircut. Ooh, and those sandals.
Okay, talking smack on both of us. Okay, let's see what else we can talk about.
Since she grew up, she keeps looking over here.
Who? Athena? Where else is she supposed to look?
She's gotta look at something.
Maybe her eyes drawn to my beauty. I could see that.
Still...
What?
No, nothing. I'm just saying, you can't catch someone staring at you unless you're staring at them.
You don't think she noticed, do you?
Are they always like this?
Trust me, this is nothing.
Oh my goodness, I can't help but find this but funny. Oh my goodness.
Look at us getting reunited. One big happy family.
How much time do I
This
have?
is going to be...
No, I'll spend.
a lot.
For what it's worth, my brother can be a bit much sometimes too.
Really? Because mine is the god of joyful slaughter.
Now, you two. It's not a competition.
Everything is a competition.
Okay, let's see what else. Well, Aphrodite. I'm sorry, guys. I should have been wasting.
What does Hermes do around here all day?
Okay. Anything more?
Aphrodite told me you killed those horrible animals unleashed by Typhon.
Glad you two are talking.
She's something. But she's my sister-in-law and I love her. Still, that coat she's making, right? How boorish. Or, in this case, more like full-on boar.
What is that? A joke?
It was a pun, and it was funny.
No,
Shush.
you are not.
I don't know, it's kind of funny.
Don't encourage her.
I will encourage her. Shut up, Hermes. We need puns, alright?
Notice anything different?
Heck yeah.
Aphrodite gave her a makeover.
What do you think?
It's subtle.
Fabulous.
She wanted to go crazy, but I told her, I said, nothing too much.
Well then, I'd say she nailed it.
Yeah, it's very you. Very, very you.
Birds are still flying at my hair. I think they're looking for more apples. Where's Ares' spear when you need it?
With a little more intel. and
Okay,
help from
there we go.
someone, I'll be
Alright,
able to
guys.
counteract whatever he's doing.
That's all the dialogue that we can get from these guys. In the next, after we do some side missions together, we're gonna probably go off and rescue Hermes. But for now, that is it, guys. So thank you everyone so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. Share the video as well. Oh, and please share the video because we're trying to reach up to 100 subscribers before the end of the year. Can we make it? It all depends on us. If we can put in the efforts on sharing videos, clips of them as well, and so on and so forth. So anyways, also guys, if you want to share your thoughts on the videos, go ahead and comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Again, I want to iterate 100 subscribers before the end of the year. And also hit that lovely little bell to receive all notifications. I'm Super64. This has been another episode of Immortals Fenyx Rising. Peace out, guys, and God bless you all.